But oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I always look there when I meant to look here. Greetings and salutations.
I'm Tim's sister, Rosemary, the one with our jeans, clearly.
Greetings and salutations. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by a certain somebody. Yeah, it's a nice day. I mean, it's not the sunniest, but we're still by the beautiful, the beautiful beach in Cornwall. Yeah, it's not been too bad. I've just had a group meeting for a presentation that I've got for one of my university assignments. And I've got a basketball match later on this evening, which I'm gonna win, of course. Isn't it beautiful? After a day at uni, just come to the beach or the rocks, whatever you want to call this. The beach is down there though. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, the beach is just over there. But yeah, guys, I basically just wanted to give some words of wisdom today. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that you need to get out of your comfort zone. Like, if you're watching this right now, you need to get out of your comfort zone. And that's something that I've really been trying to do this year, this new year, 2024. And I've genuinely found that I've grown in a lot of ways in getting out of my comfort zone. And it's such a beautiful thing to see that growth in yourself. You know, there was something that you wanted to try and do, there's something that you wanted to achieve, but you were scared of doing it maybe. And there's a couple of reasons why you might be scared. Like, say you want to sign up for this opportunity, you know that's going to be really good for you, and you know that something really good is going to come of it. But maybe you're worried about, oh, if others find out you're doing this, they might judge you. You might be worried about that. Or you might be worried that you're not qualified to do it, that you aren't equipped to do the thing. Or you might be worried that it's not going to work out well for you. Like, there's so many things that keep us inside our comfort zones. Like, it would just be a lot easier to not, you know, take that step out of your usual, you know, sort of comfort and make that stride. But trust me, it's always worth doing, like, taking that step, because you're getting one step closer to fulfilling your potential, to seeing what you really can become and what you can truly achieve. Like, imagine growing old and regretting not having fulfilled your potential, or seeing how great that you could have been because you was too scared to get out of your comfort zone. Like, yeah, you know, it's scary. I'm not gonna lie, it is scary doing things that, you know, you're not used to doing. But it's not about being fearless. It's about having that fear, being scared, having those worries, and still doing it anyways, because that's where the growth comes in. And that's legit one of the best things. Like, having once being scared of doing something, then doing it and realizing, hey, it's actually not that bad, you know. Like, why was I so scared of this in the first place? And that there's a lot of power in that. And then it just encourages you more and more to try more things that are out of your comfort zone, because it excites you even more. Like, how much can I really achieve? How far can I truly go? So yeah, 2024 is, I'm getting out of my comfort zone and doing as many things that I'm uncomfortable with, or I'm scared of, or that I'm not used to doing, because that's where you grow. That's where your potential, your hidden potential, it sort of reveals itself. And you learn a lot about yourself when you do sort of these things that you are not kind of used to doing. Like you right now, you, yeah, I'm talking to you. Don't look away. I'm talking to you.
Me?
That's funny. I want you to think, just for a second. Is there something, maybe you've come across an opportunity, or your friends have asked you, hey, let's try this thing, let's do this thing, or there's something that you've always wanted to try, but you've just been too scared to do it, or you're like, I'll leave it, like, or whenever you think about this thing, it excites you because you know that it'd be fun, you really want to try it, and you'd grow in doing that thing, but there's also a bit of anxiety around it, like, oh, do I really want to try that? Oh, maybe I'm not good at it, you know, I don't know, maybe there's like some sort of class that you want to go to, but you're new to the skill or the hobby and you're embarrassed, you're scared that you're going to get embarrassed or whatever it might be. Right, so now you probably have that thing in your head, that one thing that you've wanted to try, but it's out of your comfort zone and you're scared of taking that first step. What I want you to think of now is, okay, so now you've gone to that class, you've taken that first step. Imagine how great that feeling is afterwards, having gone out of your comfort zone. And I can guarantee you, I can assure you, having done so many things now that are out of my comfort zone, once you've done it, you realize it's really not that scary. And then you're like, why was I scared in the first place? But it's all about taking that first step, which I know it's really difficult, but harness that fear and turn it into strength. Like, be scared while doing it. Go to that class, try that new skill, that new hobby, take up that new opportunity, that new job, whatever it is, and be scared while doing it, because that's what courage is. It's having that, you have that fear. There's nothing wrong in having fear, having anxiety, having worries, but what takes true courage is doing it anyways. Like, you don't have to be fearless. Being fearless is overrated. You get what I'm saying? It's overrated. Be courageous, have that fear and still do it anyways. So yeah, I hope you're gonna take action, because you've watched this video now, so I'm gonna hold you accountable. You get it? Like, you've heard it here now. Take that first step and see how far you can go. Get one step closer to unlocking your true potential. Which one? Where?
Beautiful. This one. And this one.
Out there. Ooh. Ooh.
Are you scared?
No. It's because I'm looking at the camera, so I can't see how close the water is to me.
Well, we can hear you.
Look at that. Are you sure? Are you sure? Lol.
And then turn around to here.
Ooh, guys. This is what happens when you study at a university destination. When you study at university at a holiday destination. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, whatever that is. Peace. You're such a bag. Oh my gosh.